severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Forsyth County in central North Carolina, northern Davidson County in central North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bermuda Run, or 10 miles southwest of Winston-Salem, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, Lexington, Thomasville, Clemens, Bermuda Run, Linwood, Louisville, Arcadia, Welcome, and High Rock Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 84 and 104. Interstate 40 between mile markers 182 and 187. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina,